I am sitting down with digital course creators who want to make sure that the next quarter is productive and effective for their business. Are you curious to know how much time it's going to take for us to create those plans for their entire quarter? 1 hour. That's it. I am so passionate about helping digital course creators design a solid quarterly plan quickly because I've been on the long and tedious planning side of things and seen how it just flops. Check out the picture of one of my meticulous planning sessions that is very much a work of art. There are tasks assigned by day for each month with my objectives in mind. And you know what? About 5% of that beautiful planning actually happened. Hours of work for no results. Compare that now to last quarter's plan where I hit 100% of my objectives. I don't have anything to show you because that entire plan fit on a standard sticky note. Now, I'm not advocating planning your quarter without thought. I'm advocating a highly focused process that keeps us in motion instead of stagnating with indecision.